And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with.
What's up, y'all? Faye in the cut. You already know we back at it again with another video. And today I got a hair slate for y'all. I'm really excited about today's video because I'm bringing y'all a colored wig, and I felt like this wig really ate. Okay, so if y'all want to know the tea about this hair, you want to know where I got it from, you want to know how I stole it, you want to know if it's worth the coins, girl, keep on watching.
And I
know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with T and we throw it up. Fall while my niggas throw it up. If bitch I'm on to good sense, I might just throw it up. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. And I know little baby, but bitch I'm in my bag for real. High as fuck, got your laugh for real. This nigga left cold with a 32 man for real. Yeah, me and that nigga geek, we be tweaking together. And I show us rockin' hoodies and it's damn hot as weather. That nigga just like me, I ain't know how to say it. No niggas don't like me, your shit light as a feather. I don't wanna work with you, don't let us go. Singing my heart on this, my right on this fucking stool. No internet, little bitch be with this fucking tool. And I don't gotta show my ass, so hold a flex on you. Santana, I'ma flex on you. Girl, show you my ass, so hold a flex on you. And with the goodie, I'ma handle you. Bitches, baby's the one that wear like the fucking gold. And I know these niggas bad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with T and we throw it up. Slow fall while my niggas throw it up. And bitch, I'm on to good sense, I might just throw it up. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. And I know little baby, but bitch, I'm in my bag for real. High as fuck, got your laugh for real. This nigga left cold with a 32 man for real. Yeah. This nigga left cold with a 32 man for real. And I know little baby, but bitch, I'm in my bag. Bitch, I'm in a trap with T and we throw it up. Fall while my niggas throw it up. If bitch I'm on to good sense, I might just throw it up. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. And I know little baby, but bitch I'm in my bag for real. High as fuck, got your laugh for real. This nigga left cold with a 32 man for real. Yeah, me and that nigga geek, we be tweaking together. And I show us rockin' hoodies and it's damn hot as weather. That nigga just like me, I ain't know how to say it. No niggas don't like me, your shit light as a feather. I don't wanna work with you, don't let us go. Singing my heart on this, my right on this fucking stool. No internet, little bitch be with this fucking tool. And I don't gotta show my ass, so hold a flex on you. Santana, I'ma flex on you. Girl, show you my ass, so hold a flex on you. And with the goodie, I'ma handle you. Bitches, baby's the one that wear like the fucking gold. And I know these niggas bad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with T and we throw it up. Slow fall while my niggas throw it up. And bitch, I'm on to good sense, I might just throw it up. These niggas ain't got no swag for real. And I know little baby, but bitch, I'm in my bag for real. High as fuck, got your laugh for real. This nigga left cold with a 32 man for real. Yeah.
Alright y'all, so this is what the final install is looking like, and I definitely love this look on me. Like, I've never done colored hair before, but I feel like it's really giving what it's supposed to give. Now you already know, I'm gonna give you the tea about this hair and tell you if it's worth it or not. So let's start with shipping. I got this hair sometime last week, I think around like Thursday or Friday, and it came the next Tuesday, which was really quick. And I did tell them when I was making my order that I needed it shipped ASAP, and they understood the assignment, period, because it got here way sooner than I expected, which is really good. So thumbs up for that. The knots did come very small, and even when I went ahead to bleach the knots, as y'all can see, the frontal is just doing what I need to do. Like, the frontal is frontaling. Yeah, I honestly don't really have nothing bad to say about the frontal. Knots were very small, and they were small like all the way through, and it took the bleach really well. Honestly, like, I didn't even bother really plucking the hair like that because I felt like it already kind of looks like natural to me. Like, what's the point of plucking it, right? I believe I did get this hair in like a 22-24 inch, and I would say like it's pretty true to length in terms of it being 22 to 24 inches. This is not HD lace, it's just like a regular Swiss transparent lace, but I feel like the lace is still good, and just because like the way the knots are, it will like blend into your skin. I haven't really got a lot of shedding at all from this wig, even after bleaching the knots, kind of the lace off. Like, I'm still not getting a whole lot of shedding, which is good. And honestly, if you ask me, the wig is already on the thin side, so if it's shedding too, she's gonna have to be a no for me. But she's not shedding and she's not really tangling either. Honestly, like, this hair is actually so soft. I need y'all to come and, you know, really feel how it's feeling because it's so soft, and I can just like easily run my fingers through it. You guys can see like there's like no tangling whatsoever. I love the color on it. I feel like my only thing with this wig is I wish it was just more in terms of the density. This is 150, and I feel like it's a little bit on the thinner side for 150, but I believe that that was their only option. Honestly, personally, I don't like buying 150 density wigs. It has to be like a 180 and up, because obviously the wig is going to shed over time, and it's going to just lose that, you know, healthy density that it first had when it first came. So yeah, I'm not too big on the density of this hair, but I will say like every other thing else is definitely checking the box for me. I will leave a link to this wig below. If you're interested, then definitely check it out. And I don't believe I left any other thing out, but if I did, please leave me a comment. I answer all my comments. Leave me a comment, ask me a question, I will get back to you. Yeah, just because like this is my first, you know, colored wig that I'm trying, and I'm really liking the vibe on me, I feel like I'm gonna bring more colored wigs for y'all, and you know, we gonna do some experimenting together. I said I'm not gonna go too crazy because I have like a comfort level with the colors, but I'm definitely gonna bring some more variety on here with the colors, so definitely subscribe if you don't want to miss that. Yeah, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.